Hey guys, there you are. Stop sniffing my butt. So I taught my dog Kisses how to play ball. That's how bored it is. I just taught her how to play ball. Up, up, stay, stay. You're not moving right. Really? You gonna let it hit you in the face? Oh, there you go. Look up. Oh, there you go. Up, 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 up. Stay. Oh, say hi. Say hi. Hi, see, she hits it with her face. Sometimes her feet, but most of the time her face. Her nose. Oh, wait, she knows how to, she knows how to get paw too. Kiss it. Paw. Oh my god, baby. Wait, paw. Oh, it's a cookie. Oh, give me a kiss. Kiss it. Shh. Kiss, quick, quick, quick. Give me a kiss. No, don't go on me. Kiss it, quick, quick. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Wait, stay, stay. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Stop listening to what's outside. Give me a kiss. No, no paw, no paw. Wait. Give me a kiss. You know what? No, we'll do trick makers. We'll do trick makers. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry about the background music. That's Dragon City. I forgot that was on. So yeah, my dog knows how to play. Oh. I'm gonna teach her how to crawl.